Hello student, today we are going to study 12th Science Math 2nd, chapter number 3, Indefinite Integration. In this chapter, we are studying integration by parts. For this, one theorem is given. That theorem is, if u and v are two differentiable functions of x, then integration u into v dx is equal to u into integration of v dx minus integration du by dx into integration v dx into dx. So now we see the proof of this theorem. Let us consider integration v dx is equal to w. Consider this as equation 1. This implies that is v is derivative of dw by dx. Now consider d by dx of u into w. We know the derivative of this u into v. We get u into dw by dx plus w into du by dx. Here u as it is and value of dw by dx is v. So we get u into v plus w as it is du by dx. By the definition of integration, u taking integration on both sides, this integration derivative get cancelled. We get u into w is equal to integration of this term, that is integration u into v plus w into du by dx into dx, which gives separate taking separate integration u into v dx plus integration of w du by dx into dx, which is equal to this integration as it is plus integration du by dx into w into dx. Now u as it is and we know the value of w, which is integration of v dx. Substitute this value, we get u into integration v dx, which is equal to integration u into v dx plus integration du by dx into value of this w. Substitute value of w both side. Therefore w, it is integration v dx into dx. Taking this value second side, so we get here integration u into v dx, which is equal to u as it is integration of v dx minus, this is plus term, after taking this next side it plus becomes minus integration du by dx into integration of v dx into dx. Simplifying this, or this can be written as integration u into v, which is equal to u integration of v minus integration of derivative of u into integration of v. Now we solve the example x square integration x square into 5 raised to x dx. We have to solve this example using integration by parts. Therefore we write the formula integration u into v into dx, which is equal to u integration of v dx minus integration d by dx of u into integration v dx into dx. So here we have given u is equal to x square and v is equal to 5 raised to x. Therefore integration x square into 5 raised to x dx is equal to, using this formula, x square integration of 5 raised to x dx minus integration d by dx of x square into integration of 5 raised to x dx into dx. X square, we know the value of this integration, that is integration a raised to x. Value of this is a raised to x divided by log a. Therefore, using that standard formula, we get 5 raised to x log of 5 minus integration. Derivative of this x square is 2x integration. Value of this integration is 5 raised to x log of 5 into dx, which is equal to x square 5 raised to x log of 5 minus, taking constant outside, 2 divided by log 5. Remaining terms are x into 5 raised to x dx. Again here we use the integration by parts formula, which gives x square 5 raised to x log of 5 as it is minus 2 log of 5 in bracket. Now here u is equal to x and v is equal to 5 raised to x. Using this formula, we get u integration 5 raised to x dx minus integration d by dx of x into integration of phi. Value of phi is x raised to 5 dx into dx. X square 5 raised to x divided by log 5 minus 2 divided by log 5 x. Value of this is 5 raised to x log of 5 minus value of this derivative is 1. Value of this is x raised to 5 log of 5 dx. Bracket complete. X square 5 raised to x log of 5 minus 2 divided by log of 5 x 5 raised to x log of 5 minus value of this integration is 1 upon log 5 as constant taken outside, and value of this integration 5 raised to x is 5 raised to x divided by log of 5. Now x square 5 raised to x log of 5 minus, multiplying this term inside the bracket, we get 2x 5 raised to x log 5 into log 5 is log 5 square minus, now this minus become plus 2 5 raised to x divided by log 5 into log 5 into log 5, that is log 5 cube. Now take in common term outside, that is 5 raised to x log of 5. We get here x square, here minus 2x divided by log 5 plus 2 divided by log 5 square. So the integration by parts is used as it is. इथं आपण इंटिग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्सच्या सहाय्याने हे एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व केलेले आहे. अशाच पद्धतीने u इंटू व्ही मल्टिप्लिकेशन, दोन फंक्शनची जर मल्टिप्लिकेशन दिलेली असेल तर ते मल्टिप्लिकेशनसाठी आपण इंटिग्रेशन बाय पार्ट्स हा थिअरम यूज करून अशा पद्धतीने त्याचा तो एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व करू शकतो. थँक्यू.